Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with HubSpot. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to sync your meetings, appointments, and schedule directly with your CRM, ensuring you never miss important client interactions or follow-ups. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see two options at the top right of the screen. If you already have an account, click the login button on the right-hand side. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click Get Free HubSpot CRM to sign up. This step gets you into your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools and integrations available. Now that you're logged into your HubSpot dashboard, move your attention to the upper part of the screen. Look for the marketplace icon. It's usually represented by a grid or app symbol. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select HubSpot Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the third-party apps and integrations that work seamlessly with HubSpot. You'll now be directed to the HubSpot Marketplace page, which is essentially a library of all available integrations. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in Google Calendar. This will filter the results to show you calendar-related integrations. You'll see a list of results appear, and from these, click on Google Calendar. This is the official integration that will sync your Google Calendar events with your HubSpot account. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the app page where you can review important details about the integration. Take a moment to look through what data can be shown, such as contacts, companies, and deals. You'll also see information about the permissions required, pricing details, and user reviews from other HubSpot users. This helps you understand exactly what the integration does and whether it fits your needs. After reviewing the details, click the Install button on the app page. This will redirect you to a new tab where you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Enter your credentials and proceed. Google will then ask you to allow permissions and authenticate the connection between HubSpot and your calendar. Simply follow the prompts to grant access, and once authenticated, the integration will be active. Your Google Calendar events will now sync with HubSpot, making it easier to manage your schedule alongside your customer relationships. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.